Hi, my name is Miss Carter, and I am one of the business and computer science teachers here at Cook High School. I actually teach Introduction to Digital Technology, Digital Design, and Web Design. So the pathway that I focus on is information technology. If your child has signed up for Introduction to Digital Technology, I want to first start by showing you a video about the course and what we're going to be learning this semester. Have you ever noticed how fast our digital world is changing? This course will teach students about the new digital world and how it affects them, their friends and family, and the business world. Throughout the semester, students will discover new technologies, learn to be safe online, use social media appropriately, learn how to problem solve,
A few moments later.
begin programming, design websites, and discover new careers along the way. If you've ever wanted to be a graphics designer, a programmer, a website designer, or just learn how all this cool stuff works, this is the beginner course for you. I hope after watching this video that you and your child are very excited to take this course. I know that I really love technology and I love teaching students. Also, if you will find at your desk, there's a sheet of paper that has a QR code on it that says Scan Me. This is a short Google form that I'm asking you to please fill out. It's required this year that we have parents email so that we can successfully communicate. So with your phones, if you take a picture of that QR code, it should lead you to this form. If you'll please take a moment to fill out the information and submit that, I would greatly appreciate it. Next, I'd like to show you how the Google Classroom is set up. Once you get into the Google Classroom, there are tabs at the top where you have the stream, classwork, and students are going to be using these two tabs. The stream, I may communicate something to the class here, but there won't be a lot of posts that you're going to find on the stream. I actually like to use the classwork tab the most, and the reason why is because I have it organized into topics. So it's very easy to move around and find exactly what it is that you're looking for. There is a welcome section that gives you the course syllabus, the classroom management plan. There's even a link to previous students' sample work. So as we're working on projects, you can view samples of student work here and see something to try to strive to be better than. There is a warm-up section, which we will do daily. The essential question section, which at the end of a unit, I may ask a question to review that unit. The daily agenda is very important. It has on there daily exactly what we're going to do. Day 1, day 2, etc. All of the required links and documents are all there for you to find exactly what we're going to do step by step. Under assignments, this is where you're going to submit your work. There is a materials section, which hopefully this will help you find materials that you may need for each unit. Instead of having to look day by day to find something, if you need to find something that we did a week ago in Unit 1, you could go to the materials section and look under Unit 1.